Hey Mira, are you doing anything for the science fair? Yeah, I'm making a model of the solar system. What about you? I wanted to make a hospital theme project, but I don't know how to create a hospital model. It's so confusing. Oh, that sounds interesting actually. What part is confusing? Everything. I don't know what to put related to hospital or how to design it. Don't worry, Sophia. I can help you. We can add a first aid box, some medicines, bottles, and even a small ambulance model. Really? You will help me? Of course. I'll help you. We can use cardboard to make ambulance, sketches, and colors to decorate everything. Yay! Thank you so much, Mira. Now I know exactly what to put in my hospital project. Great! Let's start working on it after school. Take a rectangular thermocol sheet and create a road model using watercolors. Attach two cardboard boxes using glue to make a hospital building. Cover the boxes with paper and draw doors and windows. Label the rooms as ICU and OT, Operation Theatre. Use toothpicks to make holes around the hospital for grip, as shown in the video. Cut tree shapes and color them with watercolors and place them near the hospital. Take chart paper and cut it into rectangular shapes to make first aid, medicine, and tonic models. Also, attach a model of an ambulance. Add a small note explaining the importance of the hospital. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and do subscribe to my channel.